anything in the system for you, sir. Your operations has been working on it. I don't know what's taking so long with it. I don't know. Yeah, they called them twice, and they say they will send it if it's going to pick up again, so let's see. Yeah, we just checked. There's nothing in there yet. Sorry about this. Okay. We're going to call again. Go back to the Titan 528, only we're going to be number 2 filing the Airbus correction of 777. Omni 3330 Heavy is ready to go. Omni 3330 Heavy, Alexandria Tower, runway 32, 0107, clear for takeoff, on course. Clear for takeoff, on course, Omni 3330 Heavy. Departure frequency 132.05, squawk 2754. Clear to Mike Sierra Alpha Lima, filed 105 and 10, 3205 and 2754, squawker from Tyson 52. Tyson 52, read back correct. Thanks for the station, sir. We're ready. Tyson 52, contact tower 127.